So these are different Vir genes and their respective roles. We have already talked about Vir A and Vir G. I have told you Vir E and Vir D also have important roles. How? Vir E2 and Vir D2, these are endonuclease, cut the tDNA at the border site. Vir B has an important role in making the bridge between bacteria and plant cells. So you can see here how acetoserine produced from wounded site area of plants activate Vir A, Vir A activate Vir G, and Vir G activate other Vir proteins. This is the whole mechanism in detail, and you can see between the bacteria and plant cells the Vir B channel through which tDNA is transferring. Now, being a natural system where tDNA from bacteria can be transferred into plant cells, the system can be utilized by replacing the tDNA region with our gene of interest. So Ti plasmid vectors. There are two kinds of Ti plasmid vectors available. One is binary vector, another is co-integrated vector. Now binary vector, widely used vector where one plasmid is having removed tDNA, that is our gene of interest, but it is not having the virulence region. So one plasmid will be having our gene of interest with right border and left border. One plasmid will be known as helper plasmid. Again, this will be without any tDNA region, but it is having virulence region. So transfer machinery in one plasmid, gene of interest in another plasmid. Now advantages of such vector, it is easy to handle. Small vectors can be used. The difficulty is two plasmids should be present at the same time in the bacteria, and therefore it is usually unstable. So we get less recombination. As you can think that co-integrated system could be different from the binary, obviously. Here in one plasmid itself there is Vir region, that means the transfer machinery, and instead of tDNA our gene of interest. This is also a successful vector system for producing transgenic plants. The only drawback is its large size. It is difficult to handle through genetic engineering system. In your earlier class you have studied about bialistic method. In the plant tissue culture method, one of the methods is somatic hybridization to produce hybrids and fabrics. And now agrobacterium mediated gene transfer by Ti plasmid. These three methods are the methods which can be used to produce transgenic plants, or we can say novel plants, plants with a special characteristic. The famous short question, the examples of transgenic plasmids. So well-known example is golden rice, transgenic maize and Bt cotton. In the next session we will discuss how Bt gene works.